I want to show you how you can earn and learn with CoinMarketCap. Remember that education is very paramount if you're going to be very profitable in this crypto space. Meanwhile, if you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button, click on the bell button to always get notification from this channel, and also you can share this video with anyone who you think would benefit from this video. And don't forget to click on the like button. So I want to show you how to earn airdrops. I'm sure that you're not aware that you can actually participate in some airdrops on CoinMarketCap, and also you can also earn by taking some quizzes on CoinMarketCap. So this is a way to earn cryptocurrencies without actually investing in it. So first thing first, go to coinmarketcap.com on your website, not on the mobile app. On the website, visit coinmarketcap.com on your Google browser, and then go to the right hand tab, click on it, and then you'll see some categories: exchanges, NFTs, portfolio, watch list, calendars, products, learn. So under learn, you will see Alexandria and market updates, glossary, newsletter, and methodology. Now, if you want to learn, you go to Alexandria. Any topic you want to read about is there. And then you want to earn, you go to under earn. That's you want to participate in some quizzes in order to earn some free cryptocurrencies. Then market update. So let's go under earn. This is learn crypto, earn crypto. So while you're learning, you're also earning. So this is a way to acquire crypto assets in a very fun and interesting way. So you watch videos, you complete quiz, and then you earn crypto in 3 simple ways. So let's go to get started. So now these are a list of tokens that you can learn about, and then you answer quizzes afterwards, and yeah, you are sure of earning cryptocurrency. So always come here to come and check. Like this one now, Plasma Finance is going live in 18 minutes, in less than 18 minutes. Let's check NPP Pay. So in 30 minutes now, it's going to go live. This is 12:46 UTC +1 as of time of making this video. So you learn about it, you take the quiz, and you pass the quiz, you earn some amount of crypto in dollars. So why don't you participate in this? So let's go back to earn crypto. So this is it. These are other ones here. So you learn about these tokens, and then you watch the videos, and then you earn. It's like you're learning at the same time you're earning crypto. So the only time you're investing in it is just the time you're using to learn, and then you earn as long as you pass the questions correctly. So don't miss this opportunity of passively earning cryptocurrencies by learning. So let's look at other options. Let me take you to other options. Now, do you know that you can let me take you to, now this is a category for airdrops. Get free airdrops from multiple projects. Now you look for airdrops that you're sure it's legit airdrops. This is one place to get legit airdrops on CoinMarketCap. So you go to that category. Now these are lists of airdrops. Say you see overview. Overview is like everything: the ongoing ones, the upcoming ones, the one that's been ended, and the ones you've participated in. So let's look at the one that are upcoming. So these ones are upcoming, they're not started yet, so you can keep watch so you don't miss it. So they're going to airdrop 600,000 TOA to only 250 people, and then in the next 19 hours. So you can watch out for it. So these are tokens that are yet to be airdropped. So you can try your luck with those ones and participate. Remember, it's free money, it's free token, so it's not like you're really losing anything by participating in this. And then look at, these are the ones that are currently ongoing. These are times remaining for them to finish. so you can participate in this ones too, and the one that have ended. So you're looking for a way to earn free tokens by airdrop. You can come to CoinMarketCap knowing that these airdrops are legit. You won't just be wasting your time. So, and then grab a chance to earn these free tokens. So these are different. You can stay up to date with major crypto events, because you know that how fundamental plays a major role in how and how much you can make. So you can keep up to date with what's happening in the crypto space. So learn and earn with CoinMarketCap. Do not miss this. Thank you.